Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.1 question number 5. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. A. Point P lies on AB line segment. Right? That means here we will take one line segment. Suppose this is question number A. Solution of question number A. What you have to take? You will take one line segment. Here we have taken one line segment AB, right? And point P lies on AB. Suppose here point P is there. Here point P is lies on AB, right? That point P lies on AB. We have to take one line segment. We have taken one line segment AB and point P lies on AB. This is the solution of question number A. Question number B. Question number B is XY line and PQ line intersect at M, right? Intersect at M. Therefore, we will take one line, that is XY, but if you take line, you have to give arrow on both sides, right? This is XY and this is PQ. There is another line. This is XY line, X, Y, and this is PQ. This is PQ. And intersect at M. Here you see this is the intersect point of intersection. Therefore, this is point M. Right? Now, question number C. Question number C is line L contains E and F but not D. Line L. Suppose we have taken a line. We have taken one line. Lines means are on both sides. And this can be named as L. This line is named as L. Contains E and F. This line contains E. Suppose this point is E. And this point is F. Right? And not D. D is another point. Suppose D point is here. Therefore, but not D. Right? That is line L contains E and F but not D. Now, question number D. Question number D is OP line and OQ line meet at O. Right? OP line and OQ line meet at O. Right? We are representing one line, that is OP. Here is O. Here is O point. And here is P point. We have taken it. And we have to take another line, that is like this. This is line. We have taken arrow also on both sides. Therefore, this is OP line. O. This point is O. This is P. And this is O. And this is Q. Right? And point of intersection is meeting at O. Right? Now you see again, that is point P lies on AB. Right? Line segment. Here AB is the line segment. You see AB is the line segment and P lies on AB. Question number B. XY and PQ intersect at M. Here XY, this is PQ line and intersect, point of intersection is M. C. Line L contains E and F but not D. Here you see that this is a line on both side arrow. This is L, this is E on the line and this is F on the line, but D point is not on the line, right? And OP and OQ meet at O. Here you see, this is the line OP, this is the line OQ, and they meet at the point O. Our point of intersection is O. That is the solution of question number 5.